ever hitting either. I am. Over here. Oh! They're pulling parts out of the mud.
Alright, the empanada's over in the corner are great too. Never tasted anything like that. That's good.
I don't know where he went to.
Jason Jenkins, hit me up on VTAC 12, please.
Oh, she's behind us now. Do what?
Don't make me sick and have to throw up.
Make sure these things are plugged in over here again, because that one's not coming on.
It looks like the light's on.
There's two of them.
What does this plug into?
Okay, that's this one. Hey, Tinkerbell, you on the air?
You going to the mud pit?
No.
How are y'all?
All right, how you doing?
Good to see you.
All right, take care. Who the heck's that? Hey, Tinkerbell, are you on? Copy. You didn't happen to have a dash cam, did you? All right, that'll be fun. I've got somebody else, North Georgia GMRS, is supposed to be trying to take pictures too. All right, copy, thanks. Yeah, I'll do one more pass and we're gonna head out, and I got probably an assignment to go work one of the trails. That's Byron? I can turn it up some. What?
Nothing. The chips might be coming back up in a minute.
Why would your chips be coming up?
All these curves?
I could go faster if you wanted.
Oh, I know, that's okay. Because I thought I was aiming right here, and apparently I was aiming way over there.
You aimed at them tents over there at one point.
Oh, I don't know what, I couldn't tell what I was aiming at.
Oh, that's why they were cleaning the mud putt out.
Let the kids run through.
Yeah. Trying to get all the parts out of it.
But I'll tell you, these are good folks to give us some stuff, and y'all need to make sure and check them out if you want by and stop in and say hey. And thank you, Paul. John's Creations, 422. The next two tank tops. So John's Creations.